So it's 8 o'clock and we're ready. We have to go.
We gotta go.
We already recorded this,
go.
but something messed
We're
up.
recording
So
on the-
we're doing it.
recording
Wait,
on the
my
run.
coffee.
Oh shoot, my coffee.
So this morning we woke up. Corbin's mom got us coffee.
She's a stalker.
Heck yeah. Okay, all right.
I
Thank
never
you,
told
thank
her
you.
what my room number was, so.
Wait, really?
Well, we got coffee, so worth it.
Well, we still
So
got
we're going
coffee.
to a
Thank God your mom's a
we're
stalker.
going to Pearl Harbor for now.
Alright.
So yeah,
Okay, Julian's smart. He has a key.
Maybe I do.
let's just get this day going already because.
Go.
Okay.
Hold
all
on,
right.
we're seeing
Yeah, I've got a key.
Yeah, well,
I've got one.
let's get this going because we
We're going to
need
Pearl-
content.
We are going to Pearl Harbor right now.
And then we're going to a swap meet, and then we're going to
And then
a
swap
luau
Swap meet is a type of like flea
market, and we're like cheap stuff.
Yeah, super cheap.
Then
So-
do luau, so I can
And
hula.
then yeah, we're going to.
I'll meet up with Grace soon, probably like now. So
Yeah.
so was it?
So we'll vlog with her a little bit.
Yeah.
So we're just waiting on the elevator right now.
Something's ridiculous. Okay, well, we'll catch up with y'all later, and let's get this day
Go to
going.
Pier 1. Like,
Oh! Hey, welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Grace is here now. We're with Grace.
Grace,
We're vlogging Grace.
Hi.
So,
So,
problemo.
we're-
I forgot my wallet.
No one
No, you
cares.
He did. He
Yes,
did.
I did.
He did.
I forgot my
Hi,
wallet
Allie.
at the hotel, and we're going shopping. So Brendan, the savior. The savior.
So we're at the swap meet
Swap
right now.
meet. We went to
which
Pearl
is the flea
Harbor.
market.
It was kind of sad. I'll put some pictures.
Yeah. So
And here,
we'll
wait, I
take
want
some
to give this
pictures.
guy a high
So-
five.
So proud of you.
Heck yes.
Doing really good.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Really good recently.
High fives for days. Okay, so we're going.
Brendan,
this
are you
swap meet.
vlogging?
I am. We're getting sunglasses. That's what I need.
So Brendan's gonna help me out here. So, and I'm gonna pay him back. So I mean,
I'm broke, so it might be a problem, you know.
how much do you have?
So everything's really cheap though, so it's kind of great.
Tattoos.
and
Matching,
So-
should we get dub squad tats?
Yes.
Dub squad tats.
Let's do it.
And I guess Allie can get one too.
Oh, I guess. I
guess.
belong here.
Gas?
Yeah, she belongs.
Grace, that's
A
what you
lot
say.
of
I want the
people.
bite me shirt. I want the shirt that says bite me.
Bite me. Ew.
Hawaiian shaped ice.
oh, the coconuts.
Whoa.
I mean, they got everything here. This place is crazy. They
He's
got
right behind
stickers,
us.
shirts,
No way.
Oh, we
dresses,
got some Hawaiian
swimsuits,
outfits.
towels,
We gotta find glasses.
glass. There's some around here somewhere. There's so many people here though. Everyone's looking at me like I'm a glasses person.
Hats.
I'm scared.
That low-key kind of
Oh, I
scared me,
thought that
not
was
gonna lie.
her.
It is her.
No,
It
no,
is
no,
her.
But she has a thing in her mouth. I want one. I want one. And just go talk to
I
Miss
thought that was.
Wisdom. I want to go talk
Y'all-
to Miss Wisdom Japan.
I'll be like having some.
I'll be like,
That was so freaking.
She looked like
I
she was
can't.
insane.
Hey y'all. It's only us two because Morgan, he sits right here, but he's getting food right now. And then Grace and Julian are off somewhere
I think they're. Never mind.
doing something. So update, we're at the swap meet, as y'all saw. I got this,
I got these.
so a Maui fish hook, and then I got my
Oh,
girlfriend
oh my
like a little
lord.
bracelet.
Can I eat yolk?
So here's Morgan. We're vlogging, by the way.
Vlogging?
So we all got food. We got boba, which they have, which is really cool. Honeydew boba. Who would have thought? And then we got burgers. He has something called Loco Moco,
Oh, you got the locomotive?
which is literally $9. So expensive. So that's what we're up to. And it's cool. This is like a really cool place. One got a dad hat, some sunglasses, and a lei. He's eating a burger because him, but he's literally eating a burger. He's like attacking it. Okay, well, catch up with y'all later.
what's poppin'? Oh, it might be. I didn't know you were that
This
close.
is Emily.
I'm looking
So
pretty
we're going
fresh.
to the luau
To
now.
the luau. I'm ready to hula. I got my moves
And my
down.
phone's dead, so I'm like not gonna be able to record anything.
I'm at 40%.
My charger broke. So I have to start recording now. Okay, so basically we're at the luau now. I'm in like a bunch of trees and my phone's at 1%, so that's really fun. So here's Morgan and Julian. And then there's Julian is right there.
Getting no shots.
So that's fun. So yeah, my phone's gonna die, so I probably can't vlog the rest of the time. They'll probably do it.
No. Here, I can.
It's at 1%. You can vlog, he'll vlog on his one. So yeah, that's that. Look at this view though. Like, what the frick? It's so nice here. It really is.
Hey guys, we just got back from. We just got back from
The luau.
The luau.
And it was
It was very late. We had like the best kind of like host ever.
Fun.
His name was. He never really told us what his name was.
Mo. It's
He-
Mo. He said
he-
Mo.
No, it's cousin sexy.
No, but then he said
But his
Mo
actual name- his
sexy.
yeah, but that's his name, Mo. His name.
He was
It's Mo.
basically a
It's actually
Takuma.
Mo? He said Mo
They don't know
sexy.
who Takuma is. Well, he was like an older.
All our subscribers know
It
us,
was-
so they know
Well,
Takuma.
not all of them do.
Okay,
See, you
It's
saw the
more
plans
than
behind yesterday.
I didn't.
Only
I didn't pay
62.5%
attention.
Yeah, remember there's people from out of the country
Yeah.
that are watching.
Thank you for watching. I don't know if you understand
you.
me, but thank you for watching.
Gracias for watching. No.
So that's the end.
So that's the end.
Yeah.
Hope
And we're going snorkeling tomorrow.
Can I talk? Oh yeah, snorkeling tomorrow, and then what else is there? Hard rock.
Hard rock.
Brendan's performing. Shut up! Okay, good night.